Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. So what a drop-down menu is exactly this right here. So you've got your menu items that run across the top, and you've obviously got this menu here that drops down. So we're going to show you how to create this inside Shopify. So from your homepage, head down to the online store. Within the online store, you'll see navigation. In navigation, you'll see both your menu or all your menu items come up. You'll want to head to the main menu, which is going to be your top menu on the website. From here, we're going to add a menu and we're going to call it Dropdown Test. And we're just going to link that to the homepage. So what we've actually just created, we're going to hit save and it will show you how it's going to look. So now, if we refresh, you'll see Dropdown Test has appeared. But this isn't a drop-down menu, so this is just the menu item at the moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to need to create a drop-down menu from this item. So we're going to create another menu item, and we're going to call it Dropdown Test 2. And we can link this to blogs. Sure. Now, this is obviously the same as the previous process. So what this is going to do is now create the same thing, just named differently. So what we're going to want to do to get the drop-down effect working, we're going to drag the 6 dots up into the next section, and you'll see in the bottom left corner there, the blue line actually pulls in and out as I move the drop-down menu option 2 into that section. So now it's actually nested itself nicely underneath drop-down test. So what we'll do is we'll save that, we'll head over to the site, we'll hit refresh, and now you'll see that the little arrows come up and you've got a drop-down test 2. Great. So how do we get multiple items? Obviously, once you've got a drop-down menu in there, Shopify actually adds add menu item into drop-down test. So what you can do is you can just continually add different. So you can go test 3, and you can add that to something else. You can add it to the homepage again. Add test 4, and we'll do the homepage again just to make it easier to understand. You can link that to any page you like within the website. Hit save again, and now you've got a multi-functional menu. So you have all the drop-down items there. I hope that was nice and easy to follow. Please leave comments and let us know what you thought. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.